Hi, I hope you're doing great. So this is the estimation theories project submission report for our class. My name is Shahzada Ali Hassan and the roll number is 21280067. In this one, we have used two different filters. One is the Wiener filter, and then there is median filter. The purpose of this report is to compare both the median filter and Wiener filter, and then check their results on an image processing project. The project that we have chosen is converting an colorful image to a grayscale and then adding noise to that image and then applying the filters to see how accurate the filters are. At the end of the report, you might be able to see a result of a comparison between both the images. And this is the original image, and then we added blurred and motion blur and Gaussian noise to the image, and then we have applied median filter and Wiener filter to the same image. At the end of the day, you will see that this median filter which is applied to the image, it shows the results are more clear. However, the image that is generated by Wiener filter is more sharper. Let me walk you through the code that we have written here. So in the Wiener filter, the code is pretty much straightforward. We have some basic function which converts the image to grayscale, and then we have some kernel Gaussian, which add the noise to the filter. This one is adding the noise, and then this one is adding the blur, and this is the Wiener filter itself. And if you will walk down to the function, it is pretty straightforward. We have a plot of the whole system and how it works. Let me close this one first and run this file for you. So this what this does is that it adds motion blur to the picture, and then it adds motion blurs plus Gaussian node, and then it applies the Wiener filter at the end of the image. So this is the original image, and this is the Wiener filter applied to the same image. Then we have the median filter. It pretty much does the same thing. However, the main reason with the median filter, what we have done is that we are generating two different images for this one. So one where the kernel function is 9, and then the other one where the kernel function is, I think, 12. So we have two different images generated in this one. The main reason for that is to see how clear the results we get when we have two different sizes of maiden function implemented to the same image. Then the third file is the comparison file. My computer is a little slow, so it takes a bit more time to render the results on the same page. However, let me walk you through the third one. We do have the same functions like RGB to gray in both of them, but I just thought it might be better to keep the functions separate too. So what this does is that it import the function from the same files, and then it converts the image to grayscale, add blurred and Gaussian light to that, and then implement maiden filter and the Wiener filter to the same image. So this is the result for the 3 by 3 and 5 by 5 maiden filters, and let me run this comparison file. And at the end of this one, we just have a simple plot for the same file. These two files are automatically generated when you directly run the compare filter file, because it needs Wiener filter and middle filter already pre-fetched for this one. Let me see if this one can get completed. Yeah, I think we have 1.5 minutes, so it should work. We can wait a few minutes to see how the results will look like. I have uploaded both the results to the same report. You can find them here. I have also added a link to the web page where you will be able to find the same blog post, and I will add the same thing inside the GitHub. Right now, the page is not updated. It says testing, but I will make sure to add this one right after this video and upload the video somewhere on maybe YouTube or where you can access it. So yeah, let me know if you have any particular questions for me. Until then, have a good day. Let me pause the video for a second because I don't have much time left in this recording. Um, let's see if the image pops up before that. Well, my computer just froze down and it's not working anymore. However, I have added the result for the original image and maiden filter and Wiener filter applied to the same image in the same report. Let me know if you have any particular questions for me. I would love to see answer any of those. Until then, have a good day. Goodbye.